In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaigns in Mailchimp. First, head to mailchimp.com and sign in. Once you're in your account, look for the Campaigns tab in the main navigation. This is your home base for anything you plan to send, including emails, automations, and more. Click Campaigns to open your list of past and current work so you can start fresh without losing track of what you've already created. Next, click the Create button. Mailchimp will offer different options, but we're building an email, so choose Design Email. This path lets you focus on the content first, which makes it easier to visualize your message before selecting recipients and finalizing send details. When the layout options load, choose the basic layout. It's flexible and clean, which keeps your message clear and easy to read on both desktop and mobile. If you see a template that matches your style, select it and click Apply. Using a simple template helps you stay on brand without getting bogged down in design decisions. Now it's time to customize your campaign. Click into each content block to edit text, swap images, and update buttons and links. Keep paragraphs short, use clear headings, and aim for one primary call to action so your readers know exactly what to do. Replace placeholder images with high-quality visuals and add alt text so your email remains accessible. Match colors and fonts to your brand for a consistent look, and make sure your logo is crisp and properly sized. As you build, use the preview to check how everything looks on mobile, and proofread carefully to catch formatting or link issues before you move on. When your content looks good, click Save and Exit. This takes you back to the campaign checklist where you'll set up your sending details. Start with the To section and choose your audience or segment. Targeting the right subscribers improves engagement and helps your email land in the right inboxes. For the From section, use a recognizable sender name and a valid email address so subscribers trust the message. Then enter your subject line and preview text. Keep them concise, relevant, and natural. Avoid spammy phrasing, use action-oriented words, and make sure the preview text complements the subject rather than repeating it. With everything set, review the summary to confirm your content and details, then click Send. That's it. Your Mailchimp campaign is on its way. If you follow these steps, you'll build clean, on-brand emails that are easy to read and ready to perform.